Tutorial 11, Finding Visual Data with Google Images. When you think of Google Images, you probably think of photos, but it's actually an amazing tool for finding charts, graphs, and visual data. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use it for business research. Part 1, Why use Google Images for research? Sometimes the data you need is hidden inside a chart, infographic, or market share visualization. Not easy to find in text search. Google Images lets you scan hundreds of visuals quickly to find exactly what you need, such as rankings, industry reports, spending trends, or consumer behavior data. Part 2, How to search for visual data. Here's how it works. Run your normal search. For example, we'll do beauty and in parentheses industry or market and consumer and spending and trends. Then click on images. Suddenly, you'll see market size charts, consumer spending breakdowns, and industry forecasts, all ready to explore in sight. Part 3, Pro Tip, Reading Beyond the Images. Once you find a good chart, click on it. Often, that image is pulled from a market research report, article, or company presentation you wouldn't have found otherwise. In other words, Google Images isn't just about finding pictures, it's a shortcut into hidden layers of high-value data. Remember, you still have to vet the source to make sure you're accessing information from credible sources. Next up, we'll shift gears and dive into Google Scholar and show you how to unlock even more research resources by linking it to your library.